Dear learners, we all know that the National Education Policy 2020 advocates for the learning of children in continuum from preschool to early primary grades 1 and 2, known as foundational stage, that is from 3 to 8 years. It is important to nurture these early years because this is the stage when young brain develops at a rapid rate and more than at any other stage in life. Their ability to grasp the concepts, learn new skills, and develop socially and holistically is quick and fast. The NEP 2020 has pointed out that a large proportion of children currently in primary schools are under learning crisis, especially in terms of foundational literacy and numeracy due to lack of universal access to early childhood care and education. The policy advocates for the universal provisioning of quality early childhood development, care and education by 2030. It further recommended that prior to age of 5, every child will move to a preparatory class or Balvatika, that is before grade 1, with a focus on developing cognitive, affective and psychomotor abilities and also early literacy and numeracy. Till the universal provisioning of early childhood care and education is achieved to ensure that all children are school ready, an interim 3-month play-based school preparation module has been recommended. The 3-month school preparation module under the Foundational Literacy and Numeracy Mission, that is Nipun Bharat, has been named Vidya Pravesh. The mission aims to enable all the children to read with comprehension, independently write with understanding, understand the reasoning in domain of number, measurement and shapes, and also become independent in problem solving. The purpose is to ensure that every child in the country necessarily attains foundational literacy and numeracy by the end of grade 3 and not later than grade 5 by 2026 and 27. Accordingly, the Vidya Pravesh guidelines developed by the NCERT has been launched by the Honorable Prime Minister during the celebration of 1 year of completion of education policy. It is an attempt to make children learn necessary concepts and strengthen their skills vital to prepare them for grade 1. Vidya Pravesh guidelines are aligned to the key competencies and the learning outcomes of preschool 3 or Balvatika, that is level 3 under Nipun Bharat, and are built upon 3 developmental goals. These developmental goals are directed towards maintaining good health and well-being of children, make them a good communicator, and also ensuring that they become involved learners and are able to connect with their immediate environment. This shows the interlinkage and interdependency of each domain of development and also helps children develop holistically. Also, an attempt has been made to address the inclusion and mainly in terms of gender and children with special needs or disabilities, that is Divyang. The guidelines can be followed not only for the development of Vidya Pravesh module but also Balvatika program. It is recommended that the program should be designed and implemented for 5 days a week and 4 hours per day. However, in schools which function on Saturdays, the teacher may recapitulate the activities done and also plan for the next week. The focus of this module is to help you understand the aims and objectives of Vidya Pravesh and Balvatika programs, how to plan or design these programs as per the need and context, development, planning and transaction process of the age-appropriate activities and experiences for children, and also the tracking of children's progress. An exemplar Vidya Pravesh module has been prepared by the NCERT that focuses on the process of delivery of experiences to the children to make them learn necessary skills and concepts around all three developmental goals in playway and interactive manner, where they get ample opportunities to explore the environment and phenomena around them, and also participate and engage in learning. The module may also be treated as handbook or the guidelines to help understand the process of providing learning experiences to all the children in a joyful way. Everyone, including the parents, would find the content that includes pedagogy, activities, illustrations and worksheets easy to understand and transact even when children are at home. The states, union territories and schools are free to adapt or adapt it. Teachers may develop their own detailed set of contextualized activities and worksheets based on the key competencies given in this module, leading to the achievement of learning outcomes. They are also expected to follow the pedagogy and the process of transaction given in this module at least till grade 3 to make sure joy in learning continues. It is hoped that this module would be helpful to the teachers and those who are involved in shaping the lives of young children. You can access the Vidya Pravesh guidelines and the module using the link given on your screen. Namaskar.